Ride. Next up is the world famous Calico Mine Mountain Train. This should be a fun one. I'm excited for this one.
Howdy, y'all. This here is Pete Sluice Box McGee. I discovered this here Calico Mountain back in 1882. You might say I'm the pappy of this here old mountain. Howdy, y'all. Don't look too close at that strange glowing and bubbling from these here devil's paint pots now. One blast of boiling hot mud will burn the whiskers right off in your face. You need a quick way to any level of the mine. You can't beat one of those modern contraptions up ahead. It's safe too. Now here's a precious sight to these old miners' eyes. Yes, sir, the Calico Glory Hole's made a lot of dusty old prospectors into millionaires, I tell you. This here underground lake's one of hundreds found all throughout these winding caves. That fellow over there is panning for gold from a sluice, and that other fellow's panning for dinner. Now y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get lost into kingdom come. This here's called square cut timber, a special kind of shore that we route the mine before the walls and ceilings. It makes all this deep level excavation possible. Say, where's that lantern? Hey, driver, let's have a little light, huh?
Whoa!
Take a look at that. My, what a beautiful sight, I tell you. It ain't often we come across glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites. That's old Seven Seas living out there with that big nugget. That's bound to be 10 pounds, I'll bet you. This here's the very upper reaches of the Glory Hole. But we've done for $80 million worth of pure gold. Wow, you can almost smell the gold just waiting to be discovered. I usually don't venture out onto this trestle atop anything heavier than my burro, Mildred. What a gal. So keep your hands and arms inside at all times so as not to upset the car.